The immune system is like a castle in wartime. The reason why is the skin is the first line of defense. It's hard for the pathogens to get through. One of the reasons is because it has a low pH. The skin is like a castle wall. Macrophages are the first to the battlefield. They are big cells, 21 micrometers. They sometimes take down pathogens by themselves. They eat them and use special enzymes to break them down. White blood cells. The macrophages are like soldiers. The macrophages call these cells over to help. They help fight, but when they fight, they take parts of the pathogen, which are called antigens. They're like spies. Killer T cells are smart. Their main job is to kill the pathogens, but they also kill cells that are already infected. They're also like soldiers. When the dendritic cells take the parts of the pathogen, the helper T cells gets antigens so the normal B cells can make antibodies against the pathogens. They're always Y-shaped, but they always look different from one another. They're like spies. Memory B cells are the same as normal B cells, but after the battle, they have antibodies. So if the pathogen ever comes back, it has a defense. This is how the body defends from different pathogens. This is your skin. Your body has a lot of different bacteria on top of it all the time. Let's say you get a cut. You'll most likely bleed, of course. Most times bacteria doesn't get through, but this instance it will. This is a capillary. And most people think that when a pathogen goes through your skin, it will go into your blood, which can happen, but in really rare instances. That's why you can get an ear infection or toe infection, but rarely a body infection. This is the pathogen in your body. The pathogen will start to duplicate. The human body does nothing at this stage until it's big enough. These are the macrophages. They're the first to the battle. They get there so quick from the blood or lymph vessels. They'll start to eat it. Once the macrophages realize they need more help, they get the dendritic cells. The dendritic cells has the antigens. The helper T cells activate the B cells, which are going to make antibodies against antigen. Once everything is done, the macrophages and other cells are harmed to your body. They'll commit suicide or the killer T cells will kill them. The only ones left are the memory B cells. How vaccines work. The vaccine is going to your body. The vaccine is putting a small number of antigens in your body. It's either a dead or processed pathogen from a lab. Once a fake pathogen is in your body, some dendritic cells or some macrophages will fight it. Then some B cells and helper T cells will arrive to get the antigen so the B cells can make antibodies. After the T cells get the antigens, the B cells will make the right antibodies and some will become memory B cells. And if they get the real disease, then they're immune. This was the immune system. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.